Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to share with y'all what I picked up from CVS, Walmart. I don't know if I'm gonna have the video up before I share this. I did go to Walmart and I picked up one item from Dollar Tree that I'm also going to show you guys what I saw there as well. But you guys see my recent CVS video showing you guys what they had, and this is what I picked up. Now today is Easter. Happy Easter. I didn't get to my nails in time, but I'm still gonna do them. But I picked up a pack of the stickers, the Kiss Art Stickers limited edition. I chose the ones with the kitties because I love cats and I thought these were really cute, and I figured these ones I can use anytime, and then just save these bottom ones for next Easter. But I figured these I could use anytime here at the bottom too. Doesn't necessarily have to be Easter to use those, or the like these little chickadees here. And I'm gonna polish my nails with one of the colors, but I wanted to show you guys first, so that's why they're not polished yet. But these were $1.99, so I picked up these. Very cute. So I went two separate times. So the first time I went, I think I got only these two items. I can't exactly remember, but I got bought them two separate items, and I had coupons for all of them. These ended up being on sale for $4.74, and I got this color that I went back to get, actually these two. The first time I went, I think I picked up this color. I got the Peeps Sparkly Wildberry, and I thought this was a pretty glitter, and I definitely wanted to have this collection with the Peeps on there. Very cute. And then that same day, I saw this Kiss Green Tea Infused 100-240 Grit nail file, and it's for glue on and press on nails. So it said new only here, and so I wanted to try this out, but I didn't want to open it before I showed you guys, so I didn't use it on these. I got these two nail clippers. These were on sale. I got this one to go with a coupon. You could buy 3 nail items and get $3 off, so I picked these two polishes, and this was 84 cents on clearance. And I got this the first time I went, I believe this was like 90. It was under $1. So I got those two because I did need some new ones. And then that day I went back, when I had put these to the side to come back and get them, I picked up these. I thought this was a neat, like, Crelly. This one is called Sprinkle Sprinkle. And it's a pretty, like, white with some, like, peach, yellow, baby blue, glitter dots in it, and some really small ones like gold, a few different colors in there. And then I picked up this beautiful blue. I love the color of this blue, and this one is just called Peeps Blue. Very simple, but isn't it pretty? It's so bright. So I think I'm gonna use this one today. And then I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up one of the LA Colors Color Craze polishes in this really pretty pink color. It's called Pink Vibe. I thought this was a nice pink. And then I went to Walmart, and at Walmart I picked up the Sheer Matte Sinful Colors in hot pink tights, and it's really pretty. It has you know, some sparkle to it. It's like a shimmer, so I got that. And then I picked up these two LA Colors Color Mania colors shades. This orange is so pretty. I thought this would be a great summer color for nails, or I was thinking about my toes, but it'd also be good for nails too. It's a really pretty bright orange, and it looks like it may have a hint of pink in there. Is that a glare from something? Yeah, I think it's just a glare, but it's so pretty, nice and bright. It's called Super Bloom. And then I got the Color Mania Chaotic, and this one you can't really tell, but this blue, it looks like it has another color in it too. Yeah, this got to be my phone is showing that color, but let's see if I can open it. Looks like it's going to be a very you know, not super thick. Like it's gonna have, it'll need a few coats or be a good top coat maybe, it looks like. I'm not sure, but it does look like it has some hint of pink in there, because it did look like that in the store to me. We'll have to swatch it. Maybe another video I'll swatch it. Let's see, this was $1.98 and this was $1 and some change too at Walmart. And so yeah, that's my little mini haul from CVS, Dollar Tree, and Walmart. If you guys like this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, click that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.